Hello friends, today we make a navigation drawer. So firstly we start a new project and rename it to material navigation. So everything is done. Just click next and select the appropriate Android version and click next. Select the MPT activity and then click next. Now main activities and all things, finish, click finish. So when the project is built, we go to our browser and search the required dependency to make this navigation. So on Google type Mike Pence navigation drawer. So search it and you can get the first link here. This was a GitHub link. So just open it and here is the code. So here is you can get the preview and also you can download the demo file here and some screenshots are available here. So we make there are different type of drawer, so we make this right hand side first one, this type of navigation. So firstly we include the dependency, just copy these dependencies, this line of code dependency, just copy and go to our project and open the Gradle script. So Gradle script and the second one module app bar. This one, open it and at the last you can see the dependency here. So after the test compiles, we just here after it, so just paste it here. Here it is. So we can find out which dependency version is available for our minimum SDK. So our minimum SDK is 17. So let's find out which is the appropriate version for it. So go to the GitHub link and scroll up to this. Just move it up and here's the migration guide. Just click on it and you can see there are some different versions are available for different SDK. So we use the version 5.3.3. so just go to our project and change the version name 5.3.3. Okay, so we also include a dependency for designing. So we require to copy this line of code. Just copy this and after the test compile, here we paste this code and remove the app compact, select it and remove it and change it to design. It's for the dependency for designing purpose, which type of design I want to use. So just make it design and remove this symbol and make it column. Now sync our project. Sync now and the Gradle project is syncing. Oops, there was an error. Oh yeah, here I used the V7, so we don't require it, so just remove it, V7. So here you can check it what we include in it. So now try again, and here it is. Yeah, it is was completed. There is no error. So now we include some Java code. So just go to here and scroll it. So here is the item adding some functions. So just copy these line of codes. So firstly select these some bunch of code here. Now copy it, and after the set content view, after this line just paste all the code here. Here you see there are lots of error because some classes are not import. So just select this and import the class by manual or by clicking alt enter. So you also include the import the classes here. So let's do import all the required classes. Here it was the string file which include in the string for string.xml file, so we can change it later. So first we don't need the second drawer, so just copy the primary drawer item and change the secondary drawer item to primary drawer item. It was the options which will include in the drawer. So the first one is home and second one is setting. So just change it directly here. So in double quotes use home. Oops. Yeah, it's done. Now change it the settings for. So remove it and double quote setting. So that's also done. Now it is an also missing, so it's done. Here is the toolbar. So we include a toolbar here on in our project. So before the overload method, we include a toolbar. So toolbar. So you have to remember that which one toolbar we include here. So here is the X support dot v7 widget. This one we include it. So include this one and make an object toolbar. Yeah, and semicolon. Here's the. So now this error was gone, and here is an error. So I don't need this line of code. So just select and remove it. And also this line of code is not required to us. So just remove and remove the comma. Okay, so there was an also error because there is a method of boolean function. So we required to return a true. Return true. Return true. So here you can see that there is no error available here. All errors gone. So just go to the XML file and here is action bar available. So remove it. Just go to RC folder and values, then style.xml file. Here you can change the theme layout here. So there was dark action bar, just remove it to no action bar. So just change it to no action bar. So it is done, and you can see now here, yeah, then the action bar is gone. You also change it by here, just click on app theme, and here lots of app theme available here. No title bar, no action bar, and many much more material based, light theme, dark theme, and there are lots of theme available. So you can also select by here. So now go to our XML and remove the text view here. So just remove it. and now change the layout to relative layout. Just select it and rename it to relative layout. Now layout is done. The opening layout and closing layout was the same relative layout, so it was good. Now add a toolbar. So just angle bracket and toolbar. So we have to include the version 7 toolbar widget. So we include it, and what was match parent and height. Here is a something tricky. So just see what we do. Let's say question mark and write column attribute. For here we use array. So attribute slash action bar size. So here you can see that we use a action bar, this line of code, so which will include that I will show you in a preview. Just here there was a caps here, just preview. Yeah, here you can see that. Yeah, here is the height of the toolbar is same the action bar which we removed earlier. So now provide ID for it. ID. So let's provide ID as toolbar. It's not so good. User friendly. Just rename it to main toolbar. Yeah, main toolbar. So now assign the toolbar in Java code. So just go to Java code, and after the set component view, just assign the toolbar. Toolbar equal typecast with toolbar. And now find view by ID r dot id dot main toolbar. Yeah, this was good. Now it was good. This line of code has been done. Now here you see a on-click listener. So it was indicated to the options, dry item, yeah, and boolean function for on-click. So here we use the code for these two options. There are a lot of options available. We also made some other option. So this code is this code is related to this. So when we make to click on it and some action for that option, so here we use a switch case and add the position here. In the function you can see the int position, and now make some case here. So case 1 column and break statement. Now case 2 column break statement. So yeah, this. The case 1 is reflect to the when we click on home option, the case 1 is called, and when we click the setting option, case 2 will be called. So I will show you the for home option. I will show you a toast message. When we click on the home option, a toast message will appear. So here is in double quotes, we made home selected. So yeah, it was done. When we click on home, this toast will call. So you can also write which type of code you wanna like to include here. Just like that, when home option is click, you just go to the home activity. This type of code if you wanna like, then you can write here. Now go to the GitHub link and include. Here we include the profile. So this type of we make here. This type of code we use. Now we include a profile which include the background and some image and text. So just scroll, and here is it, add profile and then account header. So just copy this line of code, select this line of codes and copy this code and go to the studio, and after assigning the toolbar, just paste these codes here. So here you also get some error because of class missing. So just import the classes, import, yeah, all is done. Just change the name here, easy tut for you, our channel name. Change the mail ID also, ABCD. Okay, it's done. Here you see it, profile is in red color, which was a image option. It didn't include in Darwell, and so just here is a Darwell folder, but we don't include this. So we can go to the GitHub link and find the header image from there. So just go to the GitHub link and scroll up. Here is the line of code. So go to the app folder and SRC main folder, then open it. Now open the REC folder, second one, which is, just open it. Here is the Dribble folder. So just open the Dribble folder. That's one, and here is the header file. So just select this header file, and here is it. This type of image. Just download image. This I'll also download. Here is my image. Just copy it. Copy this image and go to the Dribble folder and paste it here. Just paste it. Okay, click OK. So now you can see the error was gone for header file, and now include a profile. We also have logo of our channel. Just copy it and paste it into the Dribble folder. Just paste it here. Click OK. Yeah, all things done. So there is no error available here. So everything is done. Just we can miss something. We can include the header result here after with activity. So now include it dot with account header. Yeah, here is it. Just include it. So we make this, just copy this account header name and paste it here. So paste it in this function. Now thing is done. Just also provide a toolbar title. So after the toolbar, click toolbar dot set title, and provide a title for it. I provide a demo. So demo, yeah, here is it, and we make all the thing. Now go to the real device to to run. Yeah, here is it. Yeah, you can see that the navigation drawer. Yeah, here's the some option. So this of course when we click setting, nothing happen, and now we click home, you can see a toast will appear here. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and others. And if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.